What makes prospecting so terrifying? Well, the answer will change the way you look at prospecting forever. Before I share it with you, though, I've got a free B2B sales training coming up for sales teams working from home. It's called How to Break into Customer Accounts Without Leaving Your Home Office. It's a 1-hour training, and you can expect to walk out of it with your own tailored, bulletproof script to setting meetings from home. You can get to it by going to modernSalesTraining.com/yourscript. The page looks like this. Or just click on the link below. Okay, so what's the reason prospecting is so terrifying? I'm talking about the same fear people might have of spiders or bungee jumping or skydiving or public speaking. What is it that scares the hell out of us? Well, here it is. It's fear of the unknown. When it comes to skydiving, we don't know about the process. I mean, what happens when we jump out of the plane? What's the right way to do that? Or do we pull the parachute this way or that way? How do we do that? How can we know if we need to panic at all? With bungee jumping, it's the same thing. What's it going to feel like? How do I know I won't get dropped? Will the bounce back hurt at all? I don't know. With spiders, it could be, well, what does it feel like to have a spider crawling on me? Will the spider bite me? Will that hurt if they do? Look, it's the same with cold calling. The same thing. Our mind goes to dark places like, will they be mad that I interrupt them? I mean, what if I freeze up on the phone? Well, what if they ask me something that I don't know how to answer? Well, what if I mess up my chances somehow? What type of mood will they be in when they answer? How can you make prospecting less scary? Easy. You learn more about the unknown. Learn about what you can expect to happen. Learn about how to best respond to those situations. Learn the process of what to expect throughout the cold call. Then you role play. By becoming more comfortable with what you expect to happen, your confidence in prospecting and your effectiveness will both increase. If you felt like this tip helped today, you're going to be blown away at the amount of value that I share inside this webinar. It's called How to Break into Customer Accounts Without Leaving Your Home Office. It's a 1-hour training, like I mentioned earlier, and you can expect to walk out of it with your own tailored bulletproof script to setting more meetings from home. You can get to it by going to www.modernSalesTraining.com/yourscript, or you can just click on the link below. This is what the website looks like. I hope to see you there.